Hello everyone, welcome to Big Data Knowledge Hunt. My name is Vaishnavi and today we will be seeing a new topic in the interesting fact series, that is how the Google search engine works, or how the Google provides us the result of the query that we have provided as the input to it. So whenever we are searching anything on the Google, we get a number of results. So it is important that we should know how does this works and how Google provides us the output. Like if I am searching here for anything, like I am searching here for Redmi Note 9 Pro, you can see there are plenty of results available in just 0.79 second. So almost 16 crore 30 lakhs result we are getting. These are the queries result that we are getting for the fired query, that is Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, within just very less amount of time. So how does this website works and what is the criteria on which it is focusing? So it is giving us the different customized view, and it provides us different URLs or pages so that we can refer to it and achieve our desired result. So how does this works and what are the different facts that affect? So it works in the three stages. That is, in the first step, Google collects the data from the internet through different crawlers or through different bots. So this is the technique in which in every 3 hours the Google's database is being updated, and whatever the new pages which are available publicly, means the pages or the information sites which don't have any login ID and password, Google accesses pages and provides us the information as the output. So to access the pages, they uses different crawlers or bots, and in every 3 hours, Google updates its database, and all the data that is stored into a file system or dump into a file system. So for specific query or every data is then dumped into the file system, and next step is finding the appropriate content from the file system. So for that there are different techniques such as NLP or text mining or text classification. Different machine learning techniques are used. So the big data picture comes into frame here because the data is in the large size. So different machine learning algorithms are applied on that, and then the indexing of the data is being done. Indexing means whenever we are if we are manually reading any book, then we refer the page number. Similarly here also the URL works same as the page number, and based on the fired query from the result, by using the different machine learning algorithms, it will index the specific page related to the query, and then the URL will be displayed as the output. So whatever the pages that have searched for a specific query will be stored into the database as a result, and from that, based on the text classification and text mining techniques, the appropriate indexing pages will be provided as the output to the user. The third step is depend on the presentation and UI. The Google is more it works on the UI part. It provides the categorization of the product or the query based on the different factors. Here the page ranking algorithm comes into the picture. The score, if the score of the page is high, then the URL will be provided at the upside for the user as the first priority, and then so according to the ranking the pages will be provided as the output. The output is categorized into different groups. Different ads are being provided. So as you can say, if you can say here, whenever we have search for the query, we get different ad. These are the different ad which are now currently available on this mobile phone, so easily user can pick up. So this is the UI which is very user friendly. Also they have categorized the output in different parts as videos referring to that particular topic, or images referring to that particular query. Also they have provided the different websites. So these are the higher page ranking score websites, so they are provided at the upper, and then so on the website which are having the lower ranking score will be provided. So in this way the Google provides us the output in very sophisticated and a easy manner, so that anyone can easily access the data and easily get the output for the fired query. So these are the three steps in which the Google search engine works, and the big data comes into the picture, where in the first step all the data is being dumped into the big data, and then the different machine learning algorithms and different NLP techniques come into picture here in the step 2 and step 3, and then the UI is being visually presented to the user with a more effective manner. So I hope everyone is clear with the idea how Google search engine works and where the big data and the machine learning comes into picture in Google search engine. So for some more interesting videos on Google search or on big data or on machine learning, stay tuned to my channel and don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.